Okay, 2019 Porsche Macan, and I'm doing a great big dent. It was this big. So the door dings had paint in it. Somebody hit it. Probably a truck hit the door panel, and it left a little bit of paint in the car. It's a great big dent. It's a collision dent, and we had to take the door panel off. And I'm going up through the inside of the door and pushing the dent out, so you can see. If you can see with this light, it's pretty difficult to see, and there's a few imperfections on it. There's a high down here that's there's a brace. The brace is pretty much like that. The brace is covering the flat brace covering the entire dent. So that little bit of a high right there, so I've been tapping on it and it's not trying to move. The brace is putting pressure on it, so it may not come out. I'm not going to bang on it too much. It's not going to be visible outside anyway. And the more I work on it, the better it's coming out. I'm not trying to spend 3 or 4 hours on it though. This is it's definitely good work. It'll save the owner of the car potentially at least $1,200 to reskin the door and repaint the door. Save them a ton of money, and it's virtually undetectable. And it's collision work. This isn't hail work. This is a door ding, and it was almost 6 inches in total. It had one great big dent and then a dent on the bottom of it, and but it's coming out good. I'm really happy with it. It's definitely something that's barely even visible on the panel now, and really good metal. It's very good metal. The metal is the more I work on it, the more the imperfections are disappearing within the dent itself. So it's been a pretty good car to do to do this type of collision work on it. So anyway, 2019 Porsche Macan.